Science asks the questions, searching every day. Faith gives hope and courage, lighting up the way. One explores creation, one believes the plan. Together they remind us of the wonder meant for man. Science and faith, walking side by side.